Struggling with the "Your browser does not support the audio element" issue? I'll provide a quick fix to get your audio playing seamlessly. Stay tuned for the solution. Visit the web page where you are supposed to listen to some audio. Right-click on the tab opening that particular web page. Check if the site is muted, and then select Unmute Site. Launch Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click Privacy and Security, and then select Site Settings. Scroll down to Content and then expand the additional content settings. Allow Sites to Play Sound button should be on.